sometimes when it comes to just hitting the road, smaller is better. Brett is here from Parris RV. What is the size of this guy?
Yeah, you know, this is a 17-foot trailer that weighs 2,300 pounds, and you're right, sometimes smaller is better. You know, the nice thing about a small trailer is you can get it in a lot of places. You can tow it with smaller vehicles, maybe store it in a garage a little easier, put it behind your fence on the side of the house. You know, but I really like getting in the back country. This particular model is a 2021 Bushwacker, and nice little 17
I just
foot.
like the name.
17 BH.
17. Okay, so what could pull this?
You know, maybe a little Subaru Outback or something like that. Basically, if you had a vehicle that towed 3,500 pounds, maybe a RAV4, something like that, would tow the 17 BH Bushwacker. It's made by Braxton Creek. And I love the fact that it's got those big off-road wheels and tires. Kind of a nice addition. So if you do choose to go in the backcountry, you're not stuck on the side of the road.
Yeah, there's some backcountry spots that definitely this could get right through. How many people does it sleep?
Sleeps 4, so it's got a set of bunk beds in the front, which is real nice, and then it's got a U-shaped dinette in the back, and that makes down to a, let's call it bigger than a double, but smaller than a queen. It's a nice sized bed, maybe perfect for newlyweds. So
who is this for? You say newlyweds, like who's watching right now and they're thinking, I need this?
You know, I think it's good for anybody who wants small, lightweight, easy to tow, get in the backcountry, and you're really not giving up anything with this. You know, you've got a shower, you've got a toilet, you've got air conditioning, you've got a furnace, you've got a refrigerator, you've got a stove. Of course, you've got lights, you've got, you know, you can sit if it rains, you can go and play cards. It really will just take you camping, relatively low priced, super easy to tow, don't need anything special to tow it. A minivan could tow that. Is
this just starting, like you're starting out? Usually you show us these really big, massive toy haulers. Yeah. I mean, this is another end of the scale, another end of the market.
There's not a right or a wrong to any RV. They're all a ton of fun. You know, this thing's inexpensive. Again, you don't have to have anything special to tow it. Fully self-contained, has everything a big one does, but it'll take you in more places. You
know that minimalism is huge right now?
It's pretty nice.
It's big. If you're a minimalist, this is what you grab this and you just go. What I love about Parris RV is there's something for everyone. I mean, I'm sure not everyone that walks on the lot wants the same thing.
No, there's all different kinds for all different kinds of people, and this is a great option.
All right, 2 locations, everybody, and we're located right here in Murray. If I come, can I walk through this and take a peek?
I typically have them in stock. I do right now. It's a great unit, super popular. Come on down anytime.
All right, can people shop online too?
Yeah, this is at our South Murray location, which is 5545 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Easy enough, parrisrv.com, everybody, or you can go to abc4.com. Thank you, Brett.
Thank you.